विकी की टांगे हैं और जिस तरह मूव हो रही है, क्या वो VFX है?
Oh, lovely. But उसके लिए हम लोग will activate all the physiotherapists in India and maybe the world now. So they'll all get activated and a lot of them will come with this pain.
He's moved like मक्खन,
Yeah,
full मक्खन।
हम लोगों ने थोड़ा बटर डाला था।
क्या विकी ने ये कोरियोग्राफी इंस्टेंटली पिक कर ली थी?
Maybe वो घर पे जाके ना ये वही करते रहे,
अच्छा।
वही करते रहे। And I'm sure Katrina must have corrected him.
Radio Nasha। हाय परी हूँ मैं, यू वाचिंग अस ऑन 91.9 FM रेडियो नशा। अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम पर हो एंड इंस्टाग्राम रील्स देखते हो, आई एम श्योर एवरी रील दैट यू फाइंडिंग राइट नाउ इज तौबा तौबा। बट आई थॉट लेट्स टॉक टू द मैन हु क्रिएटेड दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ buzz, the one and the only. This is Bosco
तौबा,
Martis.
तौबा, तौबा,
तौबा तौबा
तौबा, तौबा।
तौबा तौबा क्या हो गया ये?
क्या बोले तौबा तौबा। ये
तौबाही हो गई है।
तौबाही हो गई है।
But
So,
obviously you didn't expect this kind of a range.
not at all. I don't think so. Anybody did expect that. But I think when you're celebrated and when everything is celebrated about the song, I think it's just such a glorifying experience for the entire team. And uska maza, I think everybody should just lap it up and rejoice. And that's what we're doing over here.
पहला सवाल मुझे पूछना है कि उसमें जो विकी की टांगे हैं और जिस तरह मूव हो रही है, क्या वो VFX है?
Oh, lovely. Yeah, this question was asked when
Rin
Hrithik
Poshmal?
did. Yes, unbelievable. This question was asked when Hrithik did that Cossack move, which was in Rin Poshmal, and now you're asking this. It's 24 years ka distance we had to travel to get the move and the vibe right. So no, not at all. It was Vicky's mehnat, totally his mehnat, totally his dedication, totally his how to internalize the step and make it own. So he's really owned it, and the way he's performed, I think that's what people are enjoying, and they're seeing a new Vicky Kaushal, which is so refreshing.
Yeah, he's moved like मक्खन,
Yeah,
full मक्खन।
हम लोगों ने थोड़ा बटर डाला था floor
मैंने रील्स भी देखी है।
Yeah, powder,
You know,
powder.
people trying to do that step, they're putting powder.
It's funny. It's hilarious that the way it's really. But yeah, the audience, once they love you eternally and selflessly.
But what is with you and crazy footworks?
I think it's football. Caesar and me ना हम लोग का बचपन इतना हम लोग ने फुटवर्क किया है फुटबॉल के साथ, तो वो काम में आ गया।
कुछ भी ले लो, चाहे आप घुंघरू ले लो,
घुंघरू ले
या
लो,
फिर
आप
आप
बैंग बैंग ले
ले
लो,
लो।
even Saki has some footwork. Even
Yeah.
Das Bahan is upper body. So
Yes,
that's
that
and
is
Abhishek
why-
Bachchan natural swag.
That is why most people can do it.
Yeah, but even Sena has footwork. If you
Yes,
see,
yes,
yeah,
all
Sena,
that,
yeah,
all that and all that.
it has got
Yeah,
footwork. Yeah,
I know.
मजे है यार।
अच्छा, but क्या विकी ने ये कोरियोग्राफी इंस्टेंटली पिक कर ली थी?
नहीं,
टेक वर्क।
what happened is we were trying. They had this song, and Karan Johar had cracked something really cool. He cracked Karan Aujla basically to do this song, and Karan Aujla has never done I guess Bollywood songs. So
Yes, he's not.
it's all thanks to Karan Johar to get this collaboration going on, and I think that's the reason why it's amplified also so much. Yes, and from there on, we were like, Vicky had just finished Chhawa, I believe, and he was trying to get his look right. So he was in London. We were talking, we were chatting on this. Like, let's get an assistant to teach him in London. But I wasn't sure that by the time they go there, and I wanted to see that vibe. And I wanted to showcase that when he sees it, and I wanted to be there. So we waited, and from then on, I think once he came in, we were shooting 2 back-to-back songs. Like he was doing a song, and then after that we were doing Tauba Tauba. So we had to really wait for him to come back, and from there on he had just like 4 days to rehearse the entire song, which is heavy choreography, and hats off to him. He just nailed it. He got it bang on. And yes, the minute he saw the choreography, he said, "ये मैं करने वाला हूँ, sir." I said, "ये हम करेंगे."
But
that move.
हाँ, वो उसके लिए कितना रिहर्सल लगा, कितने टेक्स लगे?
यार ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा, because I think he was so prepared. And maybe वो घर पे जाके ना ये वही करते रहे, वही करते रहे. And I'm sure Katrina must have corrected him. Vicky, it's this. You know, you've got to, yeah. So he's looked so masculine and he's looked so cool. I think, yeah, that's the reason why. और मेहनत किया है.
लेफ्ट काफ में क्यों दर्द होता है ये स्टेप करने के बाद?
Because आपने पूरा लोड लेफ्ट पे ले लिया ना, उसके लिए we should all start working on our legs so they are strong. So that लेफ्ट का काफ स्ट्रांग हो जाए, वो हील हो जाए. ऐसे ही सडनली आपने उसको टेंशन दे दिया कि यार वो कूद रहा है, वो यू नो ऑल द वेट इज आल्सो गोइंग, देयर इज अ वेट ट्रांसफर आल्सो. सो वो थोड़ा टेक्निकल है, बट उसके लिए हम लोग विल एक्टिवेट ऑल द फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट इन इंडिया and maybe the world now, so they'll all get activated and a lot of them will come with this pain.
Yeah, and one personal experience, अगर आप इस साइड से कर रहे हो तो इस साइड से भी करना.
Correct.
ताकि वो इक्वल हो.
हाँ हाँ. वो मुश्किल है.
लेफ्ट काफ मसल टोन्ड हो जाएगी, राइट ऐसी ही रहेगी फिर.
Absolutely. उसके लिए हम लोग एक और गाना करेंगे. For the right one.
There is a team also with you.
Absolutely.
तो मैं चाहूंगी कि आप उनके भी names लो, because they have equally, I think, put in.
100%. 100%. They are equally, no, they are involved fully. I think, and that is what it is. My team has been, I have my members who are with me for the last 18-19 years. There's Augustus, he was also now, he was a dancer, he's managing my work, so he knows my soul, he knows my you know, where I can get low, and then he's there to prep me up. He's there. So he's called Augie. We call him Augie. So Augustus is there.
Augie's right here. Augie.
Yes. Then there is Gulnaz, who's been with us, and she's been with us in so many songs.
मैं गुलनाज को कब से देख रही हूँ.
अभी vintage हो गई.
Vintage हो गई गुलनाज.
So Gulnaz is with us. There's Raju, who's also been involved, and they've also been involved in so many moves that have been created. They've all been a part of this journey. Then there's Ankan. There is Ankan Sen, who's also he's the only guy who's won like a crore in dance reality show. So उसके बाद show बंद हो गया. But not because of just because the show was so glorifying and stuff. Ankan Sen, yeah, and Sahil. Sahil also he's cool. He's got the swag. He's got Vicky also to give him that vibe. And there's Jack, there's Alicia. Alicia is the winner of the Indian So You Think You Can Dance. Alicia Berwa. So she's been with me for a long time. There's Paro. Yeah, that's my team. It's a beautiful team. It's like, yeah, it's like the Indian team, the Indian dancing team.
Teamwork makes dream work.
Absolutely, absolutely.
अच्छा, जब आपके पास ये गाना आया, I know that एक कोरियोग्राफर का काम सिर्फ हुक स्टेप क्रिएट नहीं करना होता. You are actually directing the song completely.
Absolutely.
है ना? तो कैमरा कहाँ कट होगा, कौन सा एंगल होगा, ये सारी चीजें आपको ध्यान रखनी पड़ती है. When the song came to you, आपको क्या कोई brief मिला था, या फिर was it your visualization to do it like that, because the song looks also amazing?
Yeah, so yes, we did create a world, and then we jammed with Manini, who's the PD, the production designer, and she had a world that we kind of created. The involvement of Anand Tiwari, the director, the involvement of Amrit Pal, the producer, and that was very important because they could see it, they could see my vision, they could see Manini's vision, and then Santa, the DOP, who really, got the vibe of it. We had to go to the set a couple of times just to get the space right, so I had to break the set a couple of times, and I had to create a little niche, like so you get the drama of lighting and stuff. So that was in my head, and I had to bring that together so that we could get a beautiful visual, and that really helped, because when I was shooting the song, I realized that certain things just got amplified, and the move that is become such a huge hit, just the angle, just the perspective, just the way it looks.
Vicky Kaushal, what kind of an actor or a performer is he easy to work with?
Absolutely delightful to work with. Such a human, such a cool guy, very humble, and he's. I think the beauty of Vicky is that he just is like clay. He molds himself according to the way you want him to, and उसकी ब्यूटी ये है, ही सो रिस्पेक्टफुल. उसकी ब्यूटी ये है कि ही सो, there's inherent swag that and he knows the journey that he's had, so he respects every bit of it. So I think that is the most important thing for a human, a star, an actor, to be um, respectful for the people who are working for him. And that's one of the things that has really made him what, and made the audience love him, because he's real, and that's what you can see.
There are reels on Instagram, like how I was telling you, Katrina-fication of Vicky Kaushal.
Katrina-fication,
And you've worked with Katrina also. इतने
Absolutely.
सारे गाने हैं.
Yeah.
What is it like working with her?
Katrina is a powerhouse. She's full of energy. She's full of, she's so dedicated that even once you go to sleep, that's rest time, she might just call you and say, listen, my costume needs to be corrected because this dance move now. So she is just a powerhouse, and she's so dedicated. And I think also she's so much in love with her work, and so much in love with how she needs to be projected, and she makes sure that she takes marks all the departments, right from the costume to her hair to her look to her dancing to the camera angle also. I think that's and my fight with her was always been on camera angles, because I like to shoot low. And she's like, why are you shooting low? And I said, this is what it is. This is glorified, but I love that. And yes, she's such a beautiful soul and a powerhouse that she's again, done. She's done it on her own. I think it's deadly.
आपका favorite गाना with her?
ख्वाब देखे, which she thought it was a matchbox. The set, she was like, what is this matchbox?
Matchbox.
Yeah, so there were two like
Platforms जैसा था.
बस
अच्छा.
एक बस, दो बस मैंने रखे थे, और एक हम लोग ने स्टेज बनाया था. And she thought that, what is this matchbox? And I said, listen, let the camera talk and let the dancing speak. So that's a joke that we had. It's really cool. And yes, ख्वाब देखे, and there's a song from Sing is King called Touch Me,
तेरी ओर?
Teri Aur. It's something beautiful about this lady who could dance, and then suddenly she's just gone very subtle, and just enjoyed the Indian vibe of, that whole vibe of Akshay sir and her. It was just two beautiful people looking sensational.
आपको याद है आपका last time कौन सा वो गाना था जो ऐसे?
झूमे जो पठान.
It was Pathan?
झूमे जो पठान, yeah, with Khan Saab celebrating the dance, celebrating the film, celebrating the vibe of the
Yeah.
song. I think that was one of the most celebrated songs after Jai Jai Shiv Shankar and Ghungru
Yeah, and Ghungru. But
and Sher Khul Gaye
yes!
and Ishq Jaisa Kuch. Stop it.
Stop it. No, but ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही, ये थोड़ा
ये
next
तो,
level चला गया है.
हाँ, ये this
अभी
is out of the park. It's called home run. ये इसने home run मार दिया. अभी बॉल ढूंढना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर, कि विकी कौशल को ढूंढ रहे लोग. कहाँ, बताओ मुझे स्टेप कहाँ है.
बट पता है, मैं यही सोच रही थी कि अभी सोशल मीडिया है, एंड हाउ डू यू नो टुडे कि ये गाना इतना पॉपुलर हो गया या वायरल हो गया, व्हेन यू सी पीपल क्रिएटिंग रील्स, राइट? दैट्स लाइक बिकम लाइक द हॉलमार्क,
The hallmark,
है ना?
yeah.
पर जब सोशल मीडिया, बिकॉज यू हैव बीन डूइंग दिस फॉर 24 years नाउ, जब
Absolutely.
सोशल मीडिया नहीं था, तब कैसे पता चलता था कि ओ माय गॉड दिस सॉन्ग इज हिट इट?
जरा भी नहीं पता चलता था, because there were so many choreographers, and you don't know who did what. Only the industry, the people in the industry knew it. After we finished Rin Poshmal, we did a lot of work with Tanuja Chandra, and those were not dancing songs. They were all treatment songs. So there was a film called Sur. There was a song called Abija, and with Lucky Ali, and there was a song called Jaane Kya Dhoondta Hai Mera Dil. And these songs became iconic, not because of the dance, because it was celebrated as music. So these were all treatment songs, and I think that really gave, but we couldn't talk about it, obviously, because that was the medium, and I don't know whether वो promos करते थे ETC पे. I think वो एक 30 second and उस पे तो हम लोग ढूंढते थे हमारा नाम, और नाम नहीं आता, तो we used to be very heartbroken. And then the only way to talk about it is just tell people that this is our song. And then we used to fight for our credit, but we would never get it. But that's about it. Now we are getting it.
तो आई थिंक वायरलिटी इस टाइम वर्ड ऑफ माउथ
Absolutely, word of
through होती
mouth
थी, है ना?
and industry में लोग जानते थे. Award winning song which I didn't expect was Chor Bazari. The first ever Filmfare award that we got was for Chor Bazari, and that step was so relevant for common. Like it was just about enjoying the step.
Yeah, that
And
no?
yes,
है ना?
yes, Chor
हाँ.
Bazari, and yeah, but I don't know. I don't know what goes viral. I don't know what can become viral, but God has been kind that most of our songs that we've done has gone viral. So
Hmm. Okay, but I have to ask you this today. You know, when people come to you with songs, क्या ये डिमांड है कि वायरल गाना चाहिए?
yes, they would say यार ये जैसा आपने लास्ट किया था ना उसको वायरल करा इसको भी करा दो. But this is not up to us कि क्या वायरल होगा. It's praise the Lord and that is what it is कि यार अपना काम करो और उसको शिद्दत से करो. I think even the actor knows how important it is. He brings in the entire team knows how important it is and that is what it is. I think it's all the energies that come together and just you see it in the song.
नहीं बन सकता बेसिकली वायरल वो उस प्रेशर के साथ कैन यू
No,
डू
no,
इट?
you can't do it. You can't because then you'll feel very dejected if it doesn't do what it does. You'll feel very dejected. Then you'll feel angry. You'll question yourself. Let it just put all your effort and make sure that you've given your 100%. And जो होना है वो होगा.
ओके, सिंस वी टॉकिंग अबाउट तौबा तौबा मुझे याद आया एंड आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दैट. जब मैंने ये गाना देखा था देयर वाज दिस वन मोमेंट that reminded me of something, which was the moment between Vicky and Tripti,
Okay.
जहाँ पर Vicky shuts up
Correct.
and Tripti starts lip
Correct.
syncing.
And that's also happened in Moja
Yes, मैंने वो देखा एंड मुझे मौजा ही मौजा याद आया. उसके बाद obviously I saw a lot of people putting videos. So I was like, okay, great minds think alike.
Thought वही था.
वही था, वो
thought
purposely
वही
था.
था and I felt that's my signature, that's my style because I did that in Moja Moja and I felt that it's so cool for a girl to just take the lines of the guy and celebrate it because it's a song. You celebrate it. Whoever can, in a club, you see nobody stops them from singing others' lines. Like they would, you sing everybody's lines, right? So that little pause moment, I wanted to create that with Tripti and him, and I wanted her to glorify the vibe of Toba Toba, and rightly, I think it's just correct, and she's performed it so well.
थोड़े टाइम पहले आपने एक पोस्ट डाला था अबाउट कोरियोग्राफर्स नॉट गेटिंग क्रेडिट. उसके बाद आई सॉ द एपिसोड विद शक्ति आल्सो, जिसमें आपने ये पॉइंट आउट किया था कि बदतमीज दिल यूट्यूब पर रेमो सर का नाम नहीं है उस गाने के नीचे एज अ कोरियोग्राफर. सो आर दीस कॉन्वर्सेशंस हेल्पिंग? कुछ बदला है उसके बाद?
Yes, the production houses are calling and saying कि sir is we've corrected certain things, but at least एक 1% awareness आ गया है and 1 का 5 होने के लिए it has to be a collaborated effort. So all the choreographers need to come together to make the community visible. So my fight is not for myself. My fight is for the community. It's not a fight. It is something that we should be celebrated as artists, as technicians, because we also put in a lot of effort and the world celebrates the moves. So should the choreographer. He should be celebrated too because it's him and the team that makes that possible.
I remember after your post, I think Ritik made a...
Yes, that's very graceful of Ritik because he understands the hard work. He understands a technician's, because in his head he's also been a technician. He knows, he's technically so sound. He knows everything about it. So he knows the effort. And I think I think everybody, even Sid stood up and everybody just came up and they corrected this. Must be some protocol, but I think the correction had to happen.
कितना डिफिकल्ट है टू हैव टू बी रेलेवेंट फॉर 24 years एंड व्हाट डज इट टेक? आप 24 साल से कर रहे हो एंड आज भी वो गाने हिट हो रहे हैं. व्हाट डज इट टेक?
It takes, just before the song, you go to Mount Mary, ask blessings from Mother and Christ. And this has been my thing. For the last 24 years, I go to the Mount before the song. I pray, I surrender, and I say, whatever you do, make sure that I have the respect and I should make everybody happy on set. So that's my go-to. So every time it's the Lord, it's Upar Wala ka doing. You have to go and speak, and they'll do it.
पर काम आते रहना 24 साल तक, वो भी तो बड़ी बात है ना.
ऊपर वाला है. वो ऐसा वो he maneuvers. He makes his path.
So more Tauba Taubas to you.
More Tauba Taubas to everybody and to the industry. I
Yes.
loved something that you said when we were having conversation, that your mom said
हाँ.
that this is a Bosco.
She
Caesar
identified.
song.
उनको पता नहीं था.
Absolutely.
But उन्होंने
fabulous.
देखते ही मुझसे पूछा कि ये बॉस्को ने की है क्या कोरियोग्राफी.
How sweet.
So I think
We've arrived.
yes.
That's it. Mom has said तो खत्म हो गई. माँ की बात कोई नहीं टाल सकता.
Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you so much.
time.
Thank you.
Radio Nasha.